Hey guys, do you need a word of peace and perspective? Let me give it to you from God's word. Agree with this word and he will bless you. You'll see. The Lord, he is my shepherd. I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. And yes, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, because he is with me. His rod and his staff, they comfort me. And he prepares a table before me, even in the presence of my enemies. He anoints my head with oil. My cup overflows. And surely goodness and mercy will follow me throughout my life, even in times when I don't deserve it. And then at the end of it all, I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Hey guys, listen to me. Fight the fight. Finish the race. Keep the faith. It's worth it. The Lord is your shepherd. He is the good shepherd. Follow him. Listen to his voice. God bless you.